Luxury bathroom designs and luxury bathroom in general are something that are on the rise, and we are very happy about it because for many years people seem to think, it's just a bathroom. Well, it's not just a bathroom. It is where you start in the morning and you take care of your daily needs, but it also has to be inspiring. So we love the fact that more and more people come and call us and they want to have that luxury bathroom. So what is a luxury bathroom? It can be anything that you think is luxurious. That means it could be that perfect Ritz marble bathroom. It could be a nature-inspired bathroom that you saw at the spa or at Airbnb house. It doesn't matter. There is nothing that determines what actually a luxury master bathroom is, except what you think is, I really want this. This is so cool and I want to have it. So we start with questioning exactly that. What did that mean for you? Where did you see it? How did you experience it? What did that experience made you feel? What color you would like? What's your favorite color? Did that work with what you really should do? And so on and so forth. At the end of the day, we can tell you that you will have your version of the luxury bathroom design and the luxury bathroom you want because it is yours and because that is what you really desire.